So, Apple's iPhone 17 series is almost here, with the big launch expected next month. While Apple hasn't yet confirmed the rumored September 9th event, the leaks aren't slowing down, they're getting even better. The latest one comes from none other than case maker DBrand, which has listed its new tank case for the iPhone 17 Pro, basically giving us an early glimpse at Apple's next big flagship. Now, both the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max are set to bring a redesigned rear camera module. We've seen plenty of renders floating around before, but when case makers start showing their products, it usually means they've had access to Apple's exact dimensions. That adds a layer of credibility you don't always get from random concept leaks online. The tank case itself looks chunky, and of course, it doesn't reveal Apple's finer design touches. Case makers don't get that level of detail. But what it does confirm is the raised camera island, something we've been hearing about for months. You can also spot the new camera control button, the action button, the power key, and the familiar volume controls. So while this doesn't tell us everything, it definitely supports the design direction Apple's heading in. But that's not the only leak making headlines. Over in Korea, the account Use11122 shared alleged internal design images of the iPhone 17 Pro Max on Naver. Now, it's not clear whether these shots are official or just mock-ups, but they do line up with earlier rumors. The most interesting detail here is the battery. According to the images, Apple might be using a metal-covered battery inside the Pro Max, something already seen in the iPhone 16 Pro. The advantage? Better heat dissipation, which makes sense as Apple keeps ramping up performance. Even more interesting, it looks like there will be two battery designs, an L-shaped version for models with a physical SIM tray, and a more rectangular one for the eSIM-only versions like those sold in the US. The leaked schematics also show the iPhone 17 Pro Max with a noticeably larger camera bump, the MagSafe charging system, and of course, the USB-C port. So with Apple's event just weeks away, all signs point to the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max delivering a fresh new design alongside some important internal upgrades. But what do you guys think? Are you excited for the iPhone 17 series? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.